Hey y'all, this is Dave with Da Smokes. Today I'm just going to do a short video on the sticker swap. My good friends sent me some stickers and just wanted to share with you. And I've already got the stickers stuck on my Weber Smoky Mountain. That's where I'm going to put them. So I'll be showing you that and introducing you to some of my friends and giving a shout out. And I will post a link, or like a little card they call it, to their channel up above. Kind of shoots out, you know. But anyway, stay tuned. All right, folks, first one I got on here is Daddy Dutch Barbecue. Thank you, Kent. I do appreciate it. The second one I got was Scott at Dr. Taste Good Barbecue. Thank you very much, sir. Barbecue Pit Dog from Rob and Duke. Thank you so much. And of course, I got to have my own sticker on there too from Da Smokes. And Sticker Mule sent me some stickers. The mule and that hot sauce, which is pretty good, by the way. A little bit of fire there to go with it. So anyway, that's my collage for right now, y'all. I really want to thank y'all for sending me these stickers, and hopefully I'll have this whole thing full. Anyone that would like some of my stickers, feel free to email me at dabomsmokes@gmail.com, and I'll get them right off to you. Until next time, folks, cheers. Be safe and healthy.